Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm working on this van called Land of the Sun. Now the customer has brought this van to us as a kit van, so we're here assembling it all. We're actually fitting new Cruisemaster suspension underneath it with the ATX airbag system. We've had to install awnings, air conditioners, caravans, absolutely everything to this van to make it street legal here in Australia. So if you guys have any questions or are thinking about doing a kit van, give us a call. We'll be able to give you a brief rundown on what's involved and be able to help you out as much as we can. Thanks guys.